Yeah, it's stupid to come and get a car wash in the rain. But I have bird poop. It is raining super hard outside, yet I'm still doing my car wash. While I was gone, birds just went crazy on it. It is time. I am off of work, taking my at least 30-day initial, testing out my new, what could possibly be my future career. So I started out by cleaning out my truck. Figured I'd clean out the truck and then take some stuff over to storage. Then it started raining. Then I figured, what the heck, go ahead and get a car wash. Kind of crazy getting a car wash in the middle of the rainstorm, but it worked because now, well, the rain is gone. There's no more rain. It's like perfect outside. Well, I mean, it's not blue sky, but it's not too bad. It is time now to take everything out of the car that was in my truck that did not go into storage and put it inside here. Ooh, look, my skateboard. Look at that, waiting for me. It's calling my name. So this is exactly what's going on. Over the next 3 weeks, 4 weeks, I am going to be doing Uber, DoorDash, Lyft, Walmart Spark, all these little gig jobs to see how much money I can make on a weekly basis for a 4-week time frame, to see if it is worth staying home. If I could put in less hours, make similar money. I don't have to make the same money as truck driving because that's going to be definitely hard. But if I could just make similar, even a little less, it's fine. Is it worth staying home and being home every night, watching TV, relaxing in a much larger vehicle than the truck, being able to enjoy swimming pools, lakes, canoes, kayaks, Disney, Universal, beaches on a daily basis? I don't know. That's what this video series is going to be all about. So subscribe to this playlist if you want to see more. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and start unpacking stuff, and I'll see you guys in just a few. Oh, it's going to be days like this that I'm really going to enjoy being home for. Just being able to get out, hop on the skateboard and go explore a little bit. I figure over the next couple of days at least, I'm going to try and get out to go start work early and then come back in the afternoon and hop on one of these boats and take on them out here in these gator infested waters. Directly across this little lake over here. Ooh, this dock is moving. Directly across over there, you can watch fireworks at night from Disney property. Disney's Animal Kingdom's right over that way, and the backside of the Magic Kingdom. So this is like the perfect location if it was a non-mosquito day, but it is summer. So yeah, I'm sure there's mosquitoes out here right now. Yeah, so all the work has been done. I'm pretty happy about that. Got everything ready to go. The RV is packed up with goodies from the inside of my truck, and I'm just gonna kind of relax it and maybe go get some Mexican food, enjoy the evening wildlife as it starts to approach, and get out and make a good go of it tomorrow. Let's see what we can do. Anyway, this is day one, the start of a possible new future. We'll just have to wait and see. Until the next time, I love you guys. Hope you tune in for the rest of these videos, and yeah, let's see what happens. Peace out, everybody.